Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video I want to talk briefly about the ablative case. So the ablative case was, I guess we could originally say, had the meaning from. So from a noun. And that's because, the reason I say originally we can say that is because ab here can mean essentially from. We have this example sentence, Bob is 10 feet from Mary, so essentially Bob is right here, 10 feet, Mary. The ablative in general doesn't always connote this physical distance that we see here. It can, but it often denotes separation, maybe in an abstract way. Obviously physical distance. It can often, in languages that have an ablative case, be also used with prepositions, be used as an instrumental case. Latin would be an example where the ablative is used as an instrumental case as well. So it can often be sort of a mixed bag of uses. The original use would be maybe figurative separation and then literal separation.